Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the hashtag #FreeNamdiKanu movement.
So, Marco Rubio has officially put in a petition or whatever the fuck it's called to reclassify Nigeria. Nigeria, basically, or if it passes, if the resolution passes, then Nigeria is one resolution away from being a terrorist state. And once Nigeria becomes a terrorist state, the thing is, once this resolution passes, America legally, well, technically, America can legally, from American perspective, not the global, but from American perspective, they can legally go to Nigeria to save the Christians. I made a video saying Nigeria is about to be turned to Gaza. They thought I was playing. Y'all seen Libya? Yes, I'm laughing because as much as it breaks my heart, I could always run to Kenya. I can literally use my American passport to move to Kenya. I can use my American passport to go to Ghana. I can use my American passport to go to a lot of places. I can also use my Nigerian passport to go to a bunch of places. But those of you who are in Nigeria with the Israeli flags and praising Charlie Kirk, they're coming to rescue you soon in Jesus' name.
If you don't allow we Biafrans to go, that zoological republic called Nigeria will be a worse place than Somalia. And today it is happening. And if you have not applied for your Somalian visa, please try and do so. Should I say Somali visa? Try and do so as quickly as possible, because the zoo is on the path of destruction. And there is nothing man can do to reverse it. Mark today's date and what I'm telling you. Nigeria will be destroyed beyond human comprehension. If you don't allow we Biafrans to go.
Today, nobody is talking about the release of Nnamdi. It's quite unfortunate. Anambra State Governor has been maligning the integrity of
Thanks Biafrans and lovers of freedom worldwide for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. #FreeNamdiKanu now.